Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Rima's Fashion Fitness Tips and Tricks. Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to talk about how I repurposed Banarsi dupattas. So here are some different ideas that you can use if you're tired of your old Banarsi dupattas. The first look that you can do to restyle your Banarsi dupattas is make it into a kurti. The end of the dupatta is where my arms are, which has a nice pattern. And I decided to go with a short kurti style. So here is a full of that outfit with the kurti and then pairing it with a sharara, and you can mix and match some colors. To dress this outfit up, I decided to wear a long kaur, this beautiful piece. It goes right down past my belly button here. And I have matching earrings as well, as you can see. Very cute, they're light, they don't hurt my ears. And this beautiful combination of this Rani color, this hot pink with the mint green. Oh, it is just wonderful for this season. So this dupatta is pure chiffon and it's got heavy embroidery on it. It's got lace work and all four sides have latkan. Now my makeup, I decided to go with a hot pink lip color. And just minimal jewelry on my hands. I have a hot pink ring as well in American diamond and Swarovski crystal. So all of these items, I'm providing links below so you can purchase them if you really like them, and you can do some mixing and matching. Here's the second dupatta. It's a purple Banarsi dupatta. I decided to add some beaded tassels on the edges to spiff it up, make it really fancy. So you just need to fold up the dupatta on your shoulder and you just tie your belt purse around the dupatta and your whole outfit on both the front and the back. The next look is turning your Banarsi dupatta into an overcoat. There might not be enough fabric in your dupatta to make it long sleeve. You might be able to get short sleeves out of it, but I decided to go with a sleeveless look. And I put some tassel laces on the edges and also on the bottom as well. So here is the look. I have a lot of pink and I have some purple mixed and matched in there. I went with the full Indo-Western vibe. So I have a basa on, matching earrings, and handful. These are really sassy. The next look is I used a beads lace to actually decorate up my Banarsi dupattas. The rule that I decided to follow was matching the color of my shoes to my dupatta and also to my lipstick and my clutch. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you can get all the notifications of my next videos.